I wanted to do a little extra video in case anyone is having any trouble getting these calculations into their calculator correctly. This was the example from class today. When we put this into the calculator, we need to make sure that everything in this fraction is grouped together correctly. So, in that example, our monthly payment was $10. So the 10 is outside of the fraction. You may need to put multiplication before going to the fraction bar in your calculator. For some reasons, this seems to be necessary in some versions, but not in others. So if you're having an issue, that could be why. Then I'm going to type everything I have into the numerator. 1 plus 0.08 over 12, all raised to the 12 times 40. And don't forget the minus 1 that's in the numerator. Sometimes that's an easy mistake that people make. Then in the denominator, I have 0.08 over 12. You can also use the fraction bar for that, but it's not necessary. But using the one large fraction bar here is really advantageous as far as avoiding any errors. If you have a calculator that does not have the fraction bar, you will need to put parentheses around the entire numerator and the entire denominator. So you would do 10 times parentheses, a second parentheses for the 1 plus 0.08 over 12. And then the exponent in the old calculators also needs to go into parentheses, which I can't show on this one. You would need to put parentheses around that 12 times 40. Minus 1. That's the end of my numerator, so I end this large set of parentheses. Then I need to divide by the denominator, divided by, in parentheses, 0.08 over 12. If you have any difficulty getting these answers, and they all should be exact to the nearest hundredth, please make sure that you let me know.